Heavy fog is one of the most underestimated dangers in marine navigation. For cruise ships, which often carry thousands of passengers and crew, losing visibility can instantly turn a routine voyage into a high-risk situation. Unlike storms, which are visible on the horizon, fog appears suddenly and silently, creating an environment where even the most advanced navigation systems must work at their limits. When a cruise ship enters dense fog, visibility can drop to just a few meters. Officers on the bridge switch to restricted visibility protocols. Speed is reduced, radar sensitivity is increased, and additional lookouts are posted. Despite this, fog remains problematic because radar does not always perfectly detect small vessels, fishing boats, floating containers, or debris. Even other large ships can appear on the screen with a delay, making reaction times extremely short. One of the biggest risks is collision. History shows several incidents where ships, including cruise liners, came dangerously close to disaster because fog masked both distance and movement. In narrow waterways, straits, or busy approaches to ports, the situation becomes even more hazardous. Sound signals such as foghorn blasts are used constantly, but they can be distorted by temperature layers and humidity, causing officers to misjudge direction. Fog also complicates communication with pilots during harbor approaches. When a cruise ship is entering or leaving port in low visibility, tugboats may be required to assist, and harbor operations slow down significantly. Delays, missed docking windows, and temporary anchoring outside the port are common consequences, all intended to avoid navigation errors. In extreme situations, captains may cancel port calls entirely if fog makes maneuvering too dangerous. Passenger safety is another concern. Although modern cruise ships are equipped with stabilizers, GPS, and advanced radar, the crew must remain vigilant. Even a slight navigational error can bring a ship too close to rocks, sandbanks, or other vessels. For this reason, corridors and decks are often closed to reduce movement, and announcements may inform passengers about reduced speed and safety protocols. The psychological effect of fog should not be underestimated either. When the ship's horn echoes through the white, silent wall surrounding the vessel, many passengers feel uneasy. The lack of visual reference makes the ship seem motionless, even when it is moving forward. This combination of disorientation and uncertainty adds to the tension on board. Despite these challenges, cruise ships continue to travel safely through fog thanks to strict procedures, well-trained bridge teams, and modern technology. Radar, AIS tracking, thermal cameras, and electronic charts help officers maintain awareness even when the outside world becomes invisible. Still, fog remains a natural hazard that demands absolute concentration and respect from anyone navigating the sea.